can't see comments or certain videos on YouTube, it might be because restricted mode is turned on. This setting hides potentially mature content and disables comments, even when you don't want it to. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn it off step by step. Stick around to the end so you don't miss any key setting. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone. Now head to the bottom right corner and tap on the U button. That's your profile icon. Next, look at the top right and tap on the gear icon. That's your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, right at the top under Account, tap on General. Now scroll just a bit and you'll see Restricted Mode. It says this helps hide potentially mature videos. If that toggle is turned on, go ahead and tap it to turn it off. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now you can go back to your home feed and everything should display normally, including comments and videos that were previously hidden. To double check, just open a video where comments were missing before. If you now see the comment section and full content, you've successfully disabled restricted mode. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.